The three learning styles are visual, auditory, and kinesthetics. Accordingly, this app is customized to enhance the creative learning of science as a subject. Science lessons, practical demos are integrated for clarity of understanding of the scientific concepts as well as to optimize the scores, which is the goal of every student. In long run, using this app will further promote the scientific aptitude, which is very essential in today's complex lifestyle. Also, in long run, the students will not only gain knowledge but will develop a scientific attitude.
What is the advantage of a learning app for older students? I feel it is the flexibility which it has got. Students can access it anytime and anywhere. If a particular student has missed a class due to their busy schedule or because of some unforeseen circumstances, they can visit the app. Those children, those who have got a doubt in their mind, can revisit the app how many times they want to clear their doubts. I also feel that it gives a scope for self-study. There can also be a focus of study of a particular concept as it has been placed that way. I feel that it is a flexible nature of the app that is the most advantageous for students.
The definition and techniques of learning have changed drastically over the past few years. The teaching learning process is no longer confined to the four walls of the classroom, neither is it bound by the sound of the school bell. We have all witnessed this transformation as we have seen the metamorphosis of the teaching learning process in the past few months. The introduction of the Solonian Quest Plus is a step in that very direction. Packed with resources for all ages across all classes, it is a tool that will help us to extend the classroom beyond the class hours and the walls of the school. It is the new age tool for the new age learner. Definitely a way forward. Thank you.
As you know, the Quest app delivers lessons in the form of a short synopsis in your mobile. Now, this is very useful as a preview. It is also very useful for students who hold Senate responsibilities because very often they miss classes. So that's not a problem. Although your teachers are always there to help you out, the app gives you the lesson in a gist, and so you will be able to cover up much of what you have missed out in the class. Also, it is a great tool for students who go regularly for sports training, on duty for matches. Just imagine that you have just won a match and the next day you have a test to attempt. The mobile is there. And the best thing about it is that it's your travel mate. It's there right on your mobile. And you can make use of your travel time to quickly have a look at the lessons several times, as many times as you want, in order to reinforce your memory. So it's a good tool to have even for students who are quickly revising before the examination. So the Quest app is a really smart way of saving your time and using your screen time to improve your learning. All the best, students.
Quest Plus is a versatile learning app made for Solonians to support and accelerate the self-learning process, which is so relevant in current times. By visualization, the abstract concepts are concretized for conceptual understanding. May it be geographical landforms or theorems in mathematics, they are brought to life graphically. Mundane and dry units have become interesting, and kids have the liberty to watch their favorite teacher at their will, anytime, anywhere. The inclusion of interactive games in future will bring in the fun component in learning. So, Quest Plus is a natural extension of Singhania teachers' expertise and versatility. So enjoy learning, my dear students.
Hello everybody. Singhania Schools is all about creating a conducive environment for the children to make their learning more meaningful, purposeful, and to master the concepts more effectively and efficiently. As I look back, there has been an immense influence of technology upon children and education. Through my experience over the years, I would say that an educational app for the elementary section would be an ideal attempt which would stimulate their intellectual and practical skills. Since at the pre-primary and elementary level, students experience an integrated learning, connecting skills and knowledge from multiple sources and experiences. It would spark an interest in topics when they get back, as it can customize study materials with images and audios, having quizzes, games, interactive question and answer, where children can engage it leisurely. This is one of the best medium for children to stay connected and remain inquirers for life.
The most important aspect about online education today is anytime, anywhere classroom. So to say, we have made the uncomfortable comfortable. With our very own Quest Plus, our students can benefit by being able to access a whole range of concept and content-rich videos, giving them a flexibility to listen to their teachers many times. The content is presented in a very creative manner, which is appealing to the children and leaves them with a photographic memory and easy recall. These lessons will fill the students with a sense of awe and a quest to learn more.
Education has a framework around which teaching takes place. But for learning to happen, we need new ideas that stimulate the mind. The Solonian Quest Plus is one such approach to wholesome, holistic learning, where the learner decides his or her pace without any fear of ridicule or failure. It allows for imagination to soar, and this is evident in our students' responses to the Solonian Quest Plus. Writing transcripts for these video lessons taught me to look at the minute details and present the complex concepts in simple yet innovative manner. Recording in the studio for these lessons provided me with an opportunity to try something I had always dreamed of. I'm sure our students will enjoy the new Solonian Quest Plus with its animation features and special effects. To keep their desire for learning up, we need to match steps with them. Solonian Quest Plus is the app, which is the step in the right direction. Thank you.
The addition to other courses to Quest Plus will bring a new approach to online education. The new courses include yoga, music and dance. Along with studies, learning these courses will be a stress buster for the children. Learning yoga will help the children to feel relaxed and be calm. Music will soothe their mind. Dance is a way of expression and a good exercise. These courses are a perfect detour from daily schooling with a learning experience which is good for the mind and body.
I would like to share my experiences for the online virtual physical fitness sessions. I have never experienced this before. It was my first experience going online with the fitness stuff. Initially, I was thinking, how am I going to conduct? But when I enter the studio, the moment I look the arrangements, it makes me feel so excited. this is the only platform where we can reach the students. I would like to share one benefit to this online classes for the students too, is whenever they are missing the any class of physical activities, they can just retake it, they can just go through again and they can just perform it.
When I think of Quest Plus, the first thing that comes to my mind is the amount of fun that is involved in being associated with it. As a teacher, it has been a huge learning and a fun-filled exercise to pick up concepts from a lesson and convert them into small little videos which reach out to my class. And I'm sure every single Solonian who watches those videos made by every single teacher of the school feels an instantaneous connect with the teacher. And that is what keeps the magic alive in all these lessons. It's been such a wonderful experience to be associated with the Quest Plus.